Hi, and welcome to another part of a step-by-step video tutorial on Google Classroom. Last time, we learned how to create assignment and collect it from the students. Today, we're going to have a look at how to create a quiz assignment. From your Google Classroom home view, go to Classwork. Click Create Quiz Assignment. You will notice that a Google Classroom will automatically create a blank quiz Google Forms, which we will use a bit later. For now, give your quiz assignment a title. Instructions are optional. Select points, due date. We'll talk more about topics in another video tutorial. For now, leave it for no topic. Now comes an interesting part, which is creating your quiz. Click on Blank Quiz. Give your blank quiz a name. There's one more thing I normally do. I try to match the file name and quiz name. In this case, my quiz name is quiz1, so I'm going to copy this onto the file name, quiz number 1. Once your title is ready, you jump into the first question. Now, right here, you can select a question type. My first question is going to be a multiple choice. This is my question. And these are my 4 answers. If you want Google Classroom to automatically mark the answers, click Answer key and provide the right answer. In my case, red is the right answer. This question is going to be worth 1 point. Click plus button and add another question. Select type of the question you'd like. For my second question, I would like to do a checkbox. Once you have your question and answer, click on Answer key. Because my question type is a checkbox, I can select more than one correct answer. In this case, it's going to be July and August, and again, this question is going to worth 1 point. Let's add another question. For this one, I'm going to select Short Answer. There's one thing you want to make sure you do before you assign the quiz to your students is to mark all questions as required. By doing that, students will have to answer this question and won't be able to submit a quiz unless all questions are answered. So go to each question, click Edit Question, and make them required. Now our title is ready, instructions are all set, and our quiz has been edited. Click Assign. Good job! You've just created and assigned your first quiz assignment, and this is what it looks like when the assignment has been posted. A number on the right will tell you how many students have been assigned this assignment. A number on the left will tell you how many students have completed this task. In my case, I only have 2 students in my class, that's why the number is 2. What we're going to do next is to see what the quiz assignment looks like from the student's perspective. I'm going to log in into my classroom as a student now. In my stream, I can see that a teacher has posted a new assignment. I can go into this assignment from the stream, or I can click on Classwork and go to quiz assignment from there. Click quiz assignment, click View Assignment. Read the instructions, fill out the quiz. Now what I as a student need to do is click on the quiz. Once there, the quiz will tell me that the answers will be recorded using this email address. In this case, it's a dummy email address, but in your case, this will be a student email address. First question, what color is an apple? The right answer is red. Which of the following is a summer month? July and December for this one. Finally, what is the first winter month? Okay, made a mistake there. What is the first winter month? Let's do December. December is the first winter month. Send me a copy of my responses. Yes, please. Click Submit. The quiz assignment will show me the feedback right away. My total points are 2 out of 3. My first answer is correct. My second answer is not entirely correct. And my third answer is correct. Now let's go back and see what has changed in a teacher's view. Before that, we had 2 assigned and no turned in. Now I have 1 turned in because 1 student has completed his or her assignment. To look at the details, I can click on Turned In. To see the grades, we need to click Import Grades. Once the grades have been imported, the final grade for the student who has completed will show up next to his or her name. That's how easy it is to create a quiz assignment through Google Classroom. For today, we're all done. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.